road to Walmart to get the last stuff that I need, and then the campgrounds. So I actually never realized how beautiful Idaho was, like driving up this way. This is very close to my house, and some of this scenery reminds me of like Ireland and Scotland. Like, look at this. This is crazy. This is so cool. All right, so I think I'm here. So this should be my campsite, T4 at, I forgot the name of this place, but I get this whole little area. I'll probably throw my tent right about there. It's like I got a table, a little fire pit, and that was where I entered through. It's a narrow little gap. I guess I'll take a quick look. I'm not sure exactly how I'm supposed to do this. I've actually never been camping before. So this is the River Pond Campgrounds in Crouch, Idaho. The drive getting up here was beautiful. Other than that, I don't know much about this area. It's a Monday, so it's going to be very dead out here. It looks like I'm the only one here at the moment. So I've got a lot of my stuff set up now, and I've realized a couple things after starting to set my stuff up. Number one, the bugs are really bad out here. I didn't come too prepared for that. I have like some bug repellent wipes, but I don't think that's going to be enough for this. But I did set up my tent. This tent is that brand, just one off Amazon that somebody bought me. That's what I got set up. My pillows, sleeping bag. I didn't buy like a sleeping pad or a blow-up mattress or anything. I just have a couple blankets underneath it. And considering I didn't sleep too much last night, I'm expecting that regardless of how comfortable this is, I'm probably gonna knock right out when it gets a little bit later. I don't know, I feel like I need to put on the insect repellent stuff because it's already getting bad. Yeah, there it is. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put these on before anything else. Got little special something for here too. This is a cool place right on the Payette River. So the only thing about this campground is I have no idea how to check in. Or if I even need to. There was no information on the website about that. It just said what time you have to be here by, which was 2. Or sorry, from 2 to 8. And I got here like 2:30 just after that. I assume I'm fine. But I guess we'll find out if someone comes knocking on my tent tonight with a big fine for me. So I got everything set up out here. This is my first time ever going camping, besides one time technically with my dad when I was younger for a couple of nights. I am out here alone, and honestly it's very peaceful, and I don't want to let not having somebody to go with me in these situations get in my way of me not being able to do them. I'm sure I'll end up doing this more often. I want to find a couple other places to go. There's a lot of places I want to visit. I'm new to camping, but I did all of my research. I know what I'm doing for the most part. I am still new to it, and I will make mistakes out here. Not everything's going to be perfect. You know what? It could be worse. It's very, very nice weather today. I drove about an hour here, and the scenery on the way here was beautiful. It was honestly a very fun drive. It actually started raining a little bit for a couple minutes on the way here. I feel like it's gonna be a nice peaceful night, and I'm gonna head back tomorrow. This tent's a little bit smaller than I thought. Someone else just showed up, so at least I'm not the only one out here for the night. But being a Monday, it's very slow, and I basically have the place to myself, this entire campground, which is kind of cool. Also a little bit nerve-wracking knowing I'm like the only one out here. Look at the thorns on some of these sticks. It's kind of dangerous out here. I was just walking through here and stepped on some with my new, admittedly, Walmart shoes, and it went almost entirely through the sole. These thorns are dangerous. I also did, for the record, I did bring a first aid kit if I need anything. I'm hoping to not need it, but you never know what could happen out here. Ah! The sun is starting to go down. You know what that means. It's almost time to build a fire. I'm actually really looking forward to building a fire. It's gonna be real nice to sit out in front of it, the fire pit with my chair, have my drink, and just relax. I'll probably also eat dinner then too. The mosquitoes are getting really bad out here. There's a huge cloud of them right above me. And I'm hoping that the fire is enough to keep them away from me for the moment. Well, it's finally starting to get dark and it's starting to get cold too. It said the temperature was supposed to go down to about 45 tonight, 45 Fahrenheit. The sleeping bag that I have said that it's rated to the 35, I think. So I guess we'll see how warm I stay. So I already realized that this padding that I have under here is not enough. I am comfortable being out in the woods. That is not the hard part. The ground is the hard part. I have a lump in my back. Well, I didn't sleep great, but made it through the night. First night camping, my tent's a little bit wet on the inside. The sleeping bag that I had was definitely not warm enough. The padding that I had underneath it was definitely not soft enough. So next time I do this, that is definitely something that I need to upgrade. Besides that, everything seemed to go decently well. But I'm gonna pack up in just a sec and then get going. Alright, well that's gonna be it for my first time solo camping. So, thank you guys for